I had a client kasi.
No problem, no problem. Oh, ano? Busy ka pa, hindi na?
Hindi na, nasa bahay na ako.
Oh, there are 100 people who wants to greet you. Oh, ha? First is Lina.
Hi, JDM! Happy birthday! 2 hours from now.
Oh, thanks, Lina.
Oh,
Arby, Arby.
we miss you.
Oh, I miss being there. I know what the birthday pakain eh.
Oh.
I was thinking about it all day.
Ito ngayon, si Arby.
Hi, JDM! Happy birthday!
Uy!
So, parang debo
Happy birthday! That is 2 hours from
Now.
now. But
Oh.
and also congratulations. I heard Canadian citizen ka na raw.
Ay, oh,
The whole family are Canadian citizens na.
oh, pwede na umuwi.
Oh, pwede na umuwi. Sige, hindi na kayo.
Ito, Jose Ameral.
I'm
Happy
taking
birthday,
video.
Uncle Bong. It's
Hey,
Jose.
Jose, how are you?
Not bad. How are you? Happy birthday.
Oh, you've been losing weight. I saw your pictures.
Thank you.
Oh, here's Ria.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, Uncle Bob.
Oh,
This is
hello,
Ria.
Ria.
Hi.
Oh, I heard you're already a real estate magnet.
Oh, Davis Land Baroness. Yeah, Papa and the crew will be at our house in August. You have to prepare that time also, so that you can be in San Francisco. They're gonna play golf at Pasatiempo in Santa Cruz.
Okay,
So, Uncle,
can you give me the schedule?
yeah, I'll give you the schedule right away.
And then we will proceed to Vancouver and then take the Alaska cruise.
Oh, liar naman yun si Papa. It's just liar.
Okay,
I want to join that.
next is Nishimura.
Happy birthday, Bong.
Felix.
This is
Bro.
Nishimura. Hey, Nishi.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
You're the tennis champion now, Peter.
Tennis
Oh,
champion.
thank you. I got a ring this time also.
Oh, very good.
Oh,
I'm glad you
okay,
were able
thank you.
to Manila for Fred's birthday.
Thank you.
Next is
Okay.
Donicia Pacquiao.
Hi, kumpare, happy birthday. We're now eating yung handa mo and handa ni Manong Fred mo.
Hindi ka kilala.
Hindi ba ko nakilala? Sus, Maria Josep. Kilala mo na ako ngayon.
Ay, cellphone.
Of course.
Oh, Felix.
Okay, yeah.
What are you doing? No,
Happy birthday.
Felix. Flor, tawag sila Brian Andrew.
Kayo lang, sir eh.
Kayo rin hintay.
Kailan hinihintay ko, sir eh.
Nakita ko nga yung nakita ko natin sa YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Wala yan.
Nawamali ka. What? Hindi.
Here is Andrew. Andrew.
Hey, Bong. Hi.
Hey, bro.
Can you see me?
Wala.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Well, it's campaign season here. Banat kami.
Sabihin po, bumayat ka na. Umitim ka na.
Si sir.
I know. Yeah, I know. But you know what? I have it all on DVD.
Next is Sandy.
Sandy's.
Hi, Bong. Happy birthday.
Hey, my favorite sister, no.
Wow.
We'll see you.
July.
We'll see you in July.
Oh,
July.
Yes.
They'll see you in July. I'll see you in August.
oh.
Ayos.
Oh. Next is Leslie.
But if Gibo wins, I won't see you in July.
Okay, let's.
Hey, Bongito, how are you?
You have to go down because there's a camera.
Did you get the birthday prayer? It's Leslie.
nangyari lang yan. My first
Here's
Christmas
Mama
Eve.
Pepsi. Happy birthday, Garcia. I was fixing my Shit!
Akala ko isa. Kalyos.
Ano yun?
Kala ko may
pata.
Wala.
Is the cam open? Is the cam open?
No.
No.
Oh. Next is Brian, Bong. Oh, Brian.
Wala pala.
Hey, Bong, happy birthday.
Pahamak
Go.
Yeah! I was making eyes there.
Yes. What do you call this? Neil is coming on May, no?
Pahamak.
This is Skype.
Neil.
Mali pala.
Pareho tayo.
Sige, we look forward to him coming over.
Pahamak.
Okay. Sige. I'll tell Neil. Let us know exactly his flight details, ha?
Pamak.
Oh, sige,
Siya
Bong.
ang sa Lorin.
Ang tawag nito. Regards to the Vivian and the whole family. And in another 4 hours, 3 hours will be your official birthday. Happy birthday, Bong. Hello.
Okay.
Ang saya naman.
Why?
Si Ate Flor.
Why
Kala
you
may
look into
video.
the camera? Camera close.
Your camera or their...
He's using cell phone in the car. How can you say? How you can? Hello? None. It's okay.
Sabi niya, isa